Good morning, it's Ken at Tortoise Capital. This is a review of the daily trading plan for August 12th, 2021. Today was a strong up day, closed at a new high, new 10-day high, 30-day high, all-time high, continuing the strong move that began 30 days ago and survived contact with this sell-off to the bottom of the river. We've got a Kata 2 entry working here. We have a low, a higher low. Here's the supported fall crossing. There's a Kata 2. This is another Kata 2, and it's also an emerging dragon since it took out the hump of the dragon. The PSAR is continuing to march. The extension of the RL30 is strong. We are a good distance away from the 2.5% sell-off level, the Bollinger Band mean, bottom of the river, bottom of the RL10, 5% sell-off, which is at the Z3 line, and then finally a 30-day low is well out of sight. The S&P was up 0.3, the Qs were up 0.36, diamonds were basically flat. Treasuries and small caps off a third to a quarter, and emerging markets were the laggard at down a half. Sectors outperforming: lithium batteries, ARC Innovation, tech, agriculture, S&P Biotech, and the large cap crypto blend. Strong performance from Apple and Tesla, Devon Energy, Alcoa, and Microsoft. So our pair of Apple and Microsoft continuing to work well. Notice this was a rotation away from energy, finance, and materials into tech and disruptors. Underperforming sectors: commercial real estate, the FANGs, finance, genomics, discretionary moonshots, staples and energy now into the red. Materials were lagging. Then a cluster of energy exploration, blended commodities, oil, lumber, Mexico, marijuana, and the second lumber. Clean energy at minus 0.8. Wheat and precious metals, then a cluster of Brazil, the VIX, blockchain, and Bitcoin Trust, Ethereum Trust off 5 3/4. Underperforming targets: Coinbase, Robinhood, Virgin Galactic, U.S. Steel, Squarespace, TX, the steel company, and PayPal. So this was a sector rotation. I'm looking for additional tech follow-through today, but playing my stop pretty close at halfway up this stack. I don't want to give back to the river. I want to lock that in. I could live with your choice of using the 1 or 2 bar low, but I don't see giving all the way back to the Bollinger Band mean. We'll shift to the daily report. Dashboard 1, bullish quiet, overbought in every dimension. Upside is favored in the risk C. As you can see, we're just starting into the positive. I'm noticing non-tech, except for Apple in the 10-day min pain. That's how strong Apple has been. McDonald's, American Express, Brazil, and oil in the max pains for lucrative targets. 5 dojis, only 1 5-day down. 4 symbols testing out well in the auto framer. Notice the breakdowns here in Visa, United Health, and then breakouts very strong in Morgan and Johnson & Johnson, Goldman Sachs, and Apple. Quite a few ETFs in the doji condition. A lot more opportunities in the auto framer. 1 breakdown in silver, breakouts in diamonds, S&P 500, and finance. Finance looks like it's back. These are the auto framers that I favor. Oops. Treasuries, McDonald's, Visa, Amgen, oil, Brazil, emerging markets, and real estate. So the alternates to the big, broad U.S. markets. The Russell and the mid-caps, real estate, and the S&P and the daily squeezes look promising. Except for Apple and Cisco, most of the tech is stuck up here. Johnson & Johnson, Goldman Sachs really looking strong. The Dow, finance, and the S&P, clear leadership in the ETFs. And that's our look for today. We shall see you tomorrow. Be ready to trade.